Understanding, have sole regard for, a guide to empathetic language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's all about attention and care, have sole regard for. This expression is not just about understanding words. It's about understanding the heart and soul behind them. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how this phrase can add depth to our conversations. Have sole regard for is an idiomatic expression that combines a few key components, each with its own significance. Let's break it down. Have is a verb that, in this context, refers to possessing or holding something. It's about an action or state of being. Sole means single or only. When we say sole, we're talking about something that is one of a kind or exclusive. Regard for refers to consideration or attention to something or someone. Putting it all together, have sole regard for means to give your exclusive attention or consideration to someone or something, emphasizing a focused and dedicated mindset. This phrase is particularly powerful in conversations where you want to express deep respect, care, or priority for a person or cause. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. 1. In personal relationships, he has sole regard for his family's well-being, often putting their needs before his own. 2. In professional settings, the company has sole regard for customer satisfaction, ensuring that all decisions made are in the customer's best interests. 3. In academic discussions, she has sole regard for uncovering the truth, dedicating her research to finding accurate and unbiased information. Using this phrase adds a layer of sincerity and depth to your messages, signaling that the subject is of paramount importance to you. While have sole regard for is a powerful expression, its impact is heavily dependent on the context. It's a phrase that conveys a strong commitment or prioritization, so it should be used when you genuinely want to express these sentiments. Overuse or use in inappropriate contexts can dilute its meaning or come across as insincere. Understanding the cultural and situational context is also crucial, as the intensity of this phrase might be overwhelming in casual or informal settings. Have sole regard for is more than just a phrase. It's a declaration of dedication, priority, and heartfelt attention. Whether you're expressing commitment to a person, a cause, or a principle, using this phrase signifies a deep level of respect and care. We hope this exploration helps you convey your feelings more profoundly and meaningfully in English. Until next time, keep learning and keep sharing the joy of language with others. Thank you for watching.